What's up, crypto fans? It's Sam, back with another valuable cryptocurrency video today. We have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day, ranging from the latest in altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, as it's free and you can always unsubscribe. And if you find this video helpful to you in any way at all, please let us know with a like or comment, as these videos really are completely free and it really motivates us when we see these likes and comments. Thanks so much. You guys may not know this, but here at the Bitcoiner we love our altcoins, and when we see such altcoins that are under a penny, we love them even more. And in today's video I'm going to be going over the king of all penny tokens, Bittorrent. But ironically, and more specifically today, I'm going to be talking about how this king will be resigning from his throne, as I believe Bittorrent will no longer be a penny token at all. And in the future, it will actually move up to a relatively astronomical height of $1 or maybe higher. Yes, this would require a substantial increase of around 4,000% to get to that $1 mark. But as they say, if you want to make money, buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if you want to become a millionaire, buy altcoins. But if you want to become a billionaire, buy penny coins. Well, I don't actually know who says that, but it's kind of true, you got to admit. Like, think about it by market cap. Bitcoin couldn't reasonably increase 10,000 plus percent in the near few months, because its market cap would completely disrupt the market as a whole, as it would become just way too high and it would become one of the most valued assets in the world, if not the most. However, if a small coin like Bitcoin was to increase by the same percentage, mathematically and logically, your profit margins would be the same off the same USD value initial investment by the market cap, but the market cap of the coin as a whole would not completely take over the world's market. So of course, to back up such seemingly ridiculous price predictions, I have various reasons to explain throughout this video, and maybe at the end you will agree with me that Bitcoin is likely to reach $1 by the end of 2021. So let's get right into the news. Here's an article that was published a week or so ago, and is really interesting for this topic of this video. Since the rise of the internet, there has always been a way to download copyrighted files even though it may be illegal. BitTorrent is a peer-to-peer file sharing platform that hosts censorless market for any individual to post downloadable files. This censorless market can be used for sharing all types of files. That may sound like a streaming service arch nemesis, but BitTorrent is actually used by some of the biggest file sharing websites like Netflix, Google, and Facebook. What is BitTorrent? BitTorrent is a popular peer-to-peer P2P file sharing platform used by everyone from independent films trying to pick up a distributed to companies that need to send or synchronize large files worldwide. The BitTorrent protocol saves companies time and bandwidth to update their platform and send data as efficiently as possible. BitTorrent consistently uses the majority of all file sharing bandwidth online and it's extremely efficient. The BitTorrent file sharing service has been around since 2001 after Tron Blockchain Network bought BitTorrent a few years back. The BitTorrent token was created to support paid services on the file sharing platform. BTT BitTorrent is one of the biggest TRC-10 tokens on the Tron network, secured through Tron's delegated proof-of-stake protocol. Incorporating the BitTorrent token in the file sharing platform has gained the project a lot of money and new areas for development. BitTorrent BTT is up 21% in 24 hours. This was maybe published a week ago. BitTorrent made a big splash for Tron Network this year as its price jumped up 2,700% from February the 7th to April the 5th, and its peak is $0.013 US. This price didn't last long though, as it had been steadily falling since then and has recently been sitting around 0.02 US dollars. This recent 21% gain in the last 24 hours has broken the momentum of the recent downturn and pushed a relative strength index into the upper 50 percentile for the first time in 2 months. Why is Bittorrent moving? There isn't any new news about the platform or token that is directly responsible for this price increase, but because Tron bought Bittorrent and the project has raised millions in public offerings, the development team is well funded and has a lot of incentive to improve. Bittorrent is one of Tron's most successful tokens. To stay competitive with other networks such as Ethereum, Tron will need Bittorrent to continue growing to stay relevant as a smart contract network. Where to buy Bittorrent? Unfortunately, Bittorrent isn't available on most large US stock exchanges. This may be due to regulation, but as Bittorrent grows, it may start garnering support from the likes of Coinbase, Gemini, or other major stock exchanges. For US investors, Changelly is the best way to buy Bittorrent. Personally, I think that this article was really interesting, and it said something about Bittorrent raising 2,700% in like a couple months. We're only proposing a 3,000 to 4,000% increase, so this is actually nothing we haven't seen before, and makes it all the more likely and possible. To support my prediction, let's have a look at the Bittorrent Twitter account. As you can see, they've got almost 500,000 followers, which is crazy for such a penny coin like this. This just shows how popular it's getting, and it's great with these memes, some recent activity on the Twitter. See, this is all 21 hours ago. See, recent activity, a great community, as seen on the Bittorrent token Reddit with over 33,000 members. This is really just great for the publicity of this coin, the PR, everything. So as you guys know, as a coin gets more popular, the price will increase. And with more and more Bittorrent supporters out there that are pushing this great coin, that are pushing this great token to more and more people, it will naturally get higher in price. And finally, let's just have a look at the graph, the price chart for today. See, it's sitting around 0.039, which is up quite a bit since that article was published that I just read out. So yeah, I feel like this is good for Bittorrent as a whole. Another reason for Bittorrent's future success that I feel like is such a big deal is actually their products, and they've got Bittorrent Web, Bittorrent Classic, Bittorrent Android, Bittorrent Token, Bittorrent Speed, Bittorrent File System, D-Live Protocol, see, Bittorrent Remote. These are all so many different products that just shows how Bittorrent is willing to diversify what they do and what their purpose is. This means they'll dive into a lot more different aspects of not only the crypto space, but of the mainstream space in the near future. This just goes to show how it is really possible this coin can reach $1, maybe even more. Yeah guys, so as always, I've made a price prediction and I've backed it up. I hope I've provided you guys with sufficient evidence to believe me in this opinion, but it is also just an opinion, and I would be lying if I told you that I knew the exact price of Bittorrent in the future. And you guys can either discard this opinion or listen to it, but I don't really mind. I really do thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the end. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps us out. These videos have been doing quite good lately, and I really do like it when you guys like the videos and subscribe, and maybe even turn the post notification bell on. We upload every single day. When you like, it really helps the YouTube algorithm. I'm just so thankful for you guys watching these videos. Please leave some feedback in the comments below if you want. Yep, so this has been the Bitcoiner. I am Sam, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another daily video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.